Well, the trade war between India and the United States could recently have tipped into a tech war. Yes. The Competition Commission of India has taken Apple to the Supreme Court for its anti-competitive activities. One small news article recently revealed what we already know. There are so many politicians like Asif Zardari, who was called Mr. 10% for his cut in all government contracts. Well, Mr. Steve Jobs was the famous 30% because of Apple's App Store taking 30% of the revenues of every app published on its App Store, but also due to Apple's anti-competitive policies of not permitting any other app other than through its App Store on Apple devices. Well, this kind of many such anti-competitive activities, including forcing people, app developers, to not use non-Apple payment systems. Well, so many payment processes are available, so many payment gateways, but no, you must use only Apple's payment systems under the guise of privacy, data protection, and so many other these things, which now the Competition Commission is tearing off that way. With all this put together, the Competition Commission upped the ante. It proposed a massive fine of $38 billion. Yes, almost 3 lakh crore on Apple for its anti-competitive behavior. I am sure इसमें थोड़ा यूनियन गवर्नमेंट का भी हाथ है, because taking such a major decision against a monolithic Apple, which all the tech giants are protected by the US government. India doesn't have any sovereignty in all its tech apps, including all our social media, all our Gmail, so many things. So I'm sure the American government pushes for its tech to dominate here, and the Indian government is pushing back. It has recently migrated most of Union government mail accounts to Zoho Mail. The trade war is on in tech. Let's see how this Supreme Court battle goes. But yes, let us bring back our digital sovereignty.